Greetings everyone and welcome. Good morning. I am getting an early start here. I've been meaning to get a video up the last couple weeks, but time got away from me, so I'm going to bring you guys up to speed in this one. I took a job here in Washington, basically a 9-to-5 job Monday through Friday, where I'm washing boats in the harbors and marinas around Washington. And then on the weekends I'm coming back to where Kelly's at her mom's old house, where Kelly is trying to take care of business and get things done to where she can resolve the issue of what she's going to do with the house. So now it's Monday morning. I need to depart. It's about 6 a.m. here. Head back up to kind of the Gig Harbor, Washington area around doing the boat washing there. Things have just been kind of a blur as I'm getting in the swing of this new routine here. It's kind of probably going to be what I'm going to be doing for the next month or so. I'm going to break towards the end of this month and fly back east to spend some time with my family, and then come back and probably continue washing boats. The adventure continues. Okay, we are on the road. Been doing about a 40-mile commute on Mondays and Fridays to get from Kel's mom's house up to where I work. And then during the work week for me, I stay right up around where I'm working. The guy I'm working for, my friend Josh, is letting me park my van on the property that he's living at. So that's been working out really well. Allows me to really save gas. And I either ride with him to work during the week, or it's a real short commute. He's pretty close to where all the work spots are. So it's been going good. Just a little bit of a commute on Monday and Fridays. We are coming up on the Tacoma Narrows Bridge here. Away we go. Got off of Highway 16. We're pulling into Gig Harbor here. Drop right down to the water. Gig Harbor's kind of a waterfront town. A lot of marinas, restaurants. Welcome to historic downtown Gig Harbor. It's pretty here, but it can get busy, especially on the weekends. That's why I try to show up so early. Along the waterfront, parking can get pretty tight, so try to show up before like 8 a.m. and I can usually get a spot right close to where we're working on the water. And on the weekends, I probably would just avoid this area. A bunch of little shops and places to eat here. There are a couple public parking lots, the restrooms and that. No overnight parking. I'm going to try to snag a spot here before it fills up. Well, here we are. It is a beautiful morning this morning. It is calm. That water is glassy. Nice and quiet here right now. I'm going to be detailing that big yacht over there. A little early, so I'm gonna hop in the van and get some breakfast made up, cup of tea, head over to the workplace. Okay, well, I've got just enough time to have a casual breakfast here. I'm not in a rush, so I can get some, got the kettle on there, have a cup of tea, get a little breakfast in me, and then get my lunch prepped. I've got a little lunch bag that I bring with me. I try to just take my lunch on the dock there, not come back to the van, so we'll get geared up for the day. Well, it's moments like these where I really value having my home on wheels like this, where I can just pull into a parking lot. I showed up at my job early. I'm able to hop in back, cook up a breakfast on my camp stove there, and sit down, relax, and eat my breakfast. It's really nice. You can hear a bunch of stuff going on outside my van. A delivery truck just pulled up and rumbling out there, and I'm in here just kind of doing my thing. It's really nice. Today is going to be a detailing job. We'll do washing and detailing. So this is just a detailing job. So. Well, there was a little change of plans. The boat that we were going to start on was not turned around, so we couldn't get the other side of it. So we moved over to another project here. This is a, I think 30-something foot bay liner. Switch it around so you can take a look at it. We are doing a detail job on this one. So I've been working on a two-step process, kind of a heavy cut compound to really get rid of the oxidation, and then we go in second step with a finer polish. So I've done this whole side here. That was my project for the day. Now we're going to go in with a ceramic coat to protect it. Missy is supervising here. So it is pretty rewarding. You really see the difference. Of course, I'm in the shade here, so it's hard to see on this side, but this was all chalky. You wiped your fingers on it and it was white all over. Now it's nice and glossy. So with that ceramic coat, it's really going to look nice. So we'll be coming back to this boat probably tomorrow or the next day to finish up the upper sides and the top area there. Nice boat, beautiful day. I'm getting a lot of sun here. I'm going to step back, give you a better view. There it is. Okay, we are calling it quits today. That was a long day, but we got a lot done. I'll give you a little glimpse of what we did here. On the sunny side, you can see the shine a little better. We really spent all day from 9 to 5 just doing, I did the other side, but these sections here and these little lines in between the grip, all the way from the front all the way to the back, and that took all day doing the two steps and the ceramic coat. But gosh, it looks nice. You really can see, it looks like a brand new boat. Hard to get it on camera, but feels good, making it look like new. Zoom out a little bit. It's hard to get a shot of the full boat here with these narrow docks, but we're gonna call it quits. It's a beautiful day out here. I actually could see Mount Rainier, the clear skies today. So I'm gonna head back to the van, start thinking about dinner. Okay, we are back in the van. The workday is done. I'm back at my parking spot here at my friend Josh's place. Super grateful to not only have work, but also a place to park the van after work. Just a safe place to park overnight. Can also use his shower at his place, which is super convenient. Just very grateful to be able to have a job and a place to park. And of course, a roof over my head here with my little camper van. So it is dinner time. I am going to get something to eat here real quick. Just whip up something simple. And I'm going to try to knock out this video to be able to share with you guys what I've been up to. So let's get some food in me. All right, I am super hungry. Tonight we are doing boudin. I don't know if any of my southern viewers are familiar with boudin, I'm sure. It's a kind of a rice and pork sausage. I really enjoy these, so when I see them in a store, I always pick them up. And I'm just going to do up some peas and carrots on the side. These are pretty easy to cook. I just put them in a pan with a little bit of water, kind of steam them. And yeah, same with the veggies. Let's get it. Okay, dinner is served. If you haven't had boudin, it's pretty unique. It's super seasoned, very flavorful. Looks pretty funny. It's kind of mealy because it's got the rice in there. It's not like any typical sausage you probably ever had. And yeah, I'm gonna dig in here. These peas and carrots are looking good. I'm gonna go for it. I've got one little piece left. I like to remove the casings so they kind of start to fall apart a little bit. I just don't care for eating the casings, but yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Well, I'm not going to lie, guys. I am feeling it after a full day working out in the sun. This meal should do the trick here. If you haven't had boudin, it is very interesting. It's extremely seasoned, kind of spicy. I think I heard about it from someone on YouTube was trying it out for the first time. So I've had it a few times, and like I said, I try to pick it up when I see it. Don't see it all the time out west. So anyway, I'm going to quit rambling here. I'm so tired. I'm pretty out of it. I'm going to finish up dinner here and get this video edited and uploaded. But yeah, everything's going good. I'm grateful to be working, like I've mentioned. And Kelly's hanging in there. She's taking care of business at her mom's house there with everything that goes along with dealing with that. And she's taking care of her mom's dog, Hobbs. We have really started to bond with him. He's a neat dog. He's older. He does have some behavioral issues, so we're not sure if he's going to be the best fit for living in a van on the road. So we're kind of exploring our options, reaching out to people that her mom knew in the dog world. Her mom was a pet sitter, a dog sitter. So yeah, we just wanted to really do what's right for the dog, and for his remaining years could be the best for him. So anyway, who knows? We're not sure. We may end up with a dog on the road, but we'll see how that goes here in time. Hope you're all doing well out there. I really appreciate you joining me along on my adventures, and I hope to have another video up for you soon. Take care, guys. Peace.